Wow.
Yeah. That's crazy. He lived here.
You're in his home.
Wow.
Hey, Ashley, Elliott, I'm Faruq. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Elliott, my man, how you doing?
Good.
Doing
Excited.
Excited, yeah. I'm looking forward to just having some time with Ashley, just me and her, kind of just to reconnect to that special bond we had when we were younger, and then also kind of finding out some things about our family.
You guys ready to check it out?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I've been waiting.
Here's what we were able to find. Henry Osborne here would be your 5 times great-grandfather.
Wow, 1750.
Wow.
I didn't know that records go that so far.
Our family historians also uncovered this book.
Check out this passage here. It's about your 3 times great-grandfather, Samuel Osborne Jr.
His business acumen was lacking in his younger years. He owed $10,000 in accrued bills of 2 months in debtor's prison.
And that $10,000 equivalent today is roughly $240,000. That would be the equivalent of how much he owed back then.
Sounds like somebody was causing trouble in Edgartown.
That's where...
You guys familiar with that place?
yeah,
Martha's
that's our-
Vineyard, where we go to the summers.
Where do you guys think we're going the first place on our journey here?
Prison?
Well, hopefully not prison. We'll be going
Martha's Vineyard.
Nice.
Martha's Vineyard.
Nice.
Now,
That's awesome.
you're going to experience Martha's Vineyard unlike any other way you've ever experienced before.
How crazy.
All right, this is so cool.
We're taking them on the island to find out about their family's seafaring roots.
Hey, what's happening, guys? You
Hey.
made it.
What's up?
Nice little sunshine. Beautiful.
Henry Osborne served as a soldier stationed on Martha's Vineyard.
Just like those tall ships, those are like replicas. He used to fight on ships like that.
I didn't even know the Martha's Vineyard played a role in the Revolution. Just hearing the Revolutionary War now is gonna make me think about Henry Osborne.
I am gonna let you walk in his footsteps a little bit, let you know what kind of work it is to do on a ship. So I want you to meet Captain Matt. He's gonna get you guys all
Hi.
squared away.
Hey, Cap. How you guys doing today?
You
Awesome.
guys can go ahead and get suited and booted.
All right.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
Ooh, well, thanks.
Can I hear an affirmative from everybody?
Aye, aye, Captain.
A good captain and crew keep a ship afloat. So brother and sister, get to work.
One of the first things we gotta do is we have to grease up these mast tubes. All right, let's set this fore, crew.
Learning this information with Ashley has been amazing.
We got our best crew member on the job.
You're gonna fish that line out of the water and pull it inside the whisker stay.
Make sure I don't fall off the boat. It's a cool feeling to have Elliott there, having my back and making sure that I'm not gonna go overboard.
Well done.
Yes.
Yes.
It's like my little brother, but he was kind of taking care of me.
Well done, crew.
Today, I've asked Elliott and Ashley to visit a place they've walked by before, but known little about.
Welcome to the Charlotte Inn. How you guys doing?
Very good.
This place is beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
I gotta uncover a little bit more for you. I want you guys to check out chapter 8 here.
Oh, chapter 8, the financiers.
Samuel Osborne Jr. was born in 1823, grandson of Henry Osborne. He was considered the largest individual owner of whaling assets in the United States, with a fleet of 8 vessels.
And this was the gentleman that had the $10,000 at the time in debt and grew this business here that you guys just read about.
That wipes your debt right out.
Each one of those boats in today's money was about $15 million.
That's incredible. I love hearing stories about underdogs, someone that turns out to change their life around. What they do with the boats?
Well, that's one of the things. We got a lot more to talk about. So our researchers at the Martha's Vineyard Museum found some archived letters, and we have them for you right here.
Wow. Ship will be ready for launching by 11 a.m. or noon tomorrow.
He probably most likely brought that back home to read it. Mm-hmm. And I mean, it's the reason why we're here, in this place.
This was his home?
This was your 3rd great-grandfather's house.
Wow.
Yeah. That's crazy. He lived here.
You're in his home.
Wow. Walking by the Charlotte Inn hundreds of times, I never in a million years would have thought that.
No, that he lived here. How crazy. The transition going from prison to owning a beautiful home like this, it just makes me more intrigued by our family history.
It's definitely a story I want to find out a bit more about, if that's possible.
Well, actually, Samuel Osborne Jr. didn't just have a rags to riches story. We discovered he also became a local hero in 1871. It was common at that time for vessels from Massachusetts to venture to the Arctic, to hunt the regional bowhead whale. However, on this particular voyage, a high-pressure system created harsh weather conditions, leaving 33 whaling ships stranded in icy peril. But your third great-grandfather sent 5 ships to their rescue. Samuel Osborne Jr. helped bring more than 1,000 people home.
He gave up a lot to go up there and save people.
To know that Samuel Osborne Jr. did something heroic and brave is pretty unbelievable. It's kind of like having a celebrity in your family that you didn't know about.
Yeah, it's crazy to think about that kind of a journey.
And then just having the connection of reading everything about Sam Osborne, everything feels more real.